Want to know how to delete your MoonPay application or uninstall your MoonPay application? But no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application, and now once you have done that, here you should be provided with this home screen right here. So uninstalling is pretty simple. You can just simply head towards your main screen, hold the MoonPay application, and you can just simply select uninstall or the trash bin icon right here and then select uninstall. Next thing, you can just simply head towards the Play Store, search up for MoonPay on the search bar right here, down here, search up MoonPay, and then simply select it to open it fully, and here you should be seeing the uninstall button. Just simply select uninstall, select uninstall again, and you're good to go. And that's it. This is how you easily uninstall MoonPay. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.